We are 22, and we didn't understand the concept of the HR diagram until now.
The HR diagram shows the way that stars change in their lifetime. It's a scatter plot showing the relationship between luminosity and temperature of the stars, which is measuring the apparent brightness and the color.
Once we understood the concept of where the certain type of stars were plotted on the graph, we understood how their evolution worked. We suddenly realized that the movement of stars along the diagram showed the life cycle of the stars. We chose understanding the HR diagram because we did not understand that there was 4 main types of stars.
So this is the main sequence. This is where 90% of stars will convert hydrogen into helium. And then we can move up from here to the giants and the supergiants, which have a low temperature and a high luminosity. And then after we can transition to here, to the white dwarfs, and this is where stars will die off and with a high temperature and low luminosity.
This concept represents a major step towards an understanding of stellar evolution. It allows us to know a star's internal structure and evolutionary stage simply by determining its position in the diagram.
For our analogy of the HR diagram, we're comparing it to trees. The main sequence would be the everyday trees that we see. The supergiants and giants would be trees that we use for consumption, and the white dwarfs would be the trees that are dying due to deforestation.
So we don't think you need to improve on how you teach this, because at first we weren't putting together what you were telling us with this diagram. We had different thoughts, and it was until now that we pieced together what you said, and you've really taught every aspect of this diagram, so we fully understand it. We don't think you need to improve.